Hi, this is Mary Axelm, Mary Masako Axelm. I'm doing Lab 5, the biochemical testing for microbial identification, carbohydrate fermentation testing. So anyway, I've done all of part 1 for exercise 1, which is obtain the phenol red broth test tubes, which there are 6, and I have to note that one of my test tubes was okay. So one of my vials of the red phenol broth is half full, and it's this one. You'll notice that against another one, it's half full. So I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if it just got filled half full or if it leaked out. I saw a little bit of red residue inside the package that all the test tubes were packed in. So I just want to note that. So this last test tube, which will have number 3, mannitol, for the S. epidermidis. I don't know if that's going to come out the way we're hoping it will, but I'm going to go as preceded because this is not something, that I can't do it with. It's just half the dose of what was called for. So I just want to let you know straight off. So I've labeled these. Number 1, glucose, S. cerevisiae. Number 2, glucose, S. epidermidis. Sorry, number 1, not number 2. And then number 2, fructose, S. cerevisiae. Number 2, fructose, S. epidermidis. Sorry, I didn't know if you could see these. I'm just kind of doing them fast. Number 3, S. cerevisiae mannitol. Okay, label number 3, and then this is the short one that's half full. Number 3, mannitol, S. epidermidis. Okay, so I'm going to start what we need to do. I've already lit the candle. It's sitting here. And so I'm going to take the first one. And it says to take the number 1, S. cerevisiae. So that's what I'm taking here. Number 1, S. cerevisiae. All right, so now I'm taking the number 1, glucose, S. cerevisiae, and I'm going to be running it over the lip of it, over the flame, as so. Okay, to decontaminate it. And then I'm going to be adding half the dose of glucose, as my glove is on fire. Okay, so half of that dose will go into, hopefully this will measure out okay, go into the number 1, S. cerevisiae. Gosh, I can't see very well, but hopefully this will. Oh, please just let half come out. Okay, I'm trying to follow the instructions so that I'm doing this the correct way. Okay, I think that's about half. Might be more. Anyway, that's what's left. So that I think is about half. Then I'm going to put the vial, I keep calling these test tubes, but they're vials, over the flame a second time to sterilize the cap. Or sterilize the lip, I should say, of the vial. And then put the cap on. Okay. So I've done that, and now I'm placing the cap on. Now it's time to take, oh, we're going to shake the vial. Sorry, forgot about that part. So we're shaking the vial. Shaky, shaky, shaky. There we go. And the powder has dissolved, it looks like. All right. Jeez. They're all falling. Oh my goodness. They all fall. All right, so now I'm going to take the remaining glucose and add it to number 1 S. epidermidis. After I put the lip of the vial onto the flame, I will add the glucose, the remaining glucose powder to this solution. Then I will put the lip back on the flame, put the cap on, mix it up, and then I'll be doing each one with the correct corresponding vials. So the next 2 will be for fructose, and then 2 after that will be the mannitol. And the mannitol again will go into half a dose of the S. epidermidis because some of it's missing for whatever reason. All right, I'm gonna do that now, and to save time, I'm gonna end the video here and then pick up after they've incubated. Thank you.